You spell it right, you're good.
Okay. Moments. Versus Tess. It's not Fox. Oh, for some reason I thought Moment was a Fox man.
We are stage striking because this is 20XX.
Oh, this is 20XX. I forgot it's 20XX. When I was doing stage striking.
This will really be 20XX if this is a Fox to do.
Oh, I mean, we haven't even seen its final destination yet.
Yeah, if it's Final Destination, it's definitely 20XX.
Fox. That's... Sorry, that's my controller.
Looks like Final Destination was stricken, so we will not be seeing that complete 20XX
We will not be
vision.
seeing 20XX done in 20XX.
20XX on Yoshi's.
Okay.
Oh no, it's not 20XX.
No, yeah, I knew it was Fox Falco.
Oh, I thought it was Fox Fox.
I said I thought Moment was a Fox main, but I was wrong. At least, yeah, it should be Tess playing the Fox and Moment playing the Falco.
I've never seen Moment play Melee. Last time I remember seeing Moment play actually was in a 64 tournament last year. Ooh.
Oh, okay.
Man.
Tess just restarts the game, I believe. Not wanting
I think that was a
that.
gentleman's restart.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken. Shout out to Tess.
I mean, it's
that
obviously
was
on Tess's.
Tess's behalf. Yeah, that was good. Also, just wanted to give a shout out to the Cancer Awareness Committee for giving us a really nice venue in the upper floor of the University Center. So thank you for that, guys. But anyway, back to the match.
Yeah, a very classic matchup. One we've seen played out a lot at every single level of play.
Shine off of Randall.
Just runs out and says, hey, hanging on Randall? Let me hang on too. I got a little hexagon that wants to chill with us.
Yeah.
Nice shine out of the, I was pretty surprised that ended up working. Moment shining out of Tess's dare. Normally it's like, dare, okay.
Little cheese there. I think I can smell the cheese from here.
I mean, not really that much cheese going on. It was an even stock trade. If Falco like somehow made it back, that would have been cheesy. But
Moment really bringing this back. That was a really good combo. I believe that was a true combo.
I'm not sure about that, but that was definitely.
It's a good string at the very least.
For sure. Okay. Some fallen up airs from Tess, some chillins, as they're sometimes called. Drill. Okay. No, Moment's playing really well here. Tess the favorite to take this tournament, honestly, right now.
Yeah.
And Moment has 4% deficit. Okay. Nice nair there, just sticking his little leg out to make sure that that Moment doesn't get back on stage.
Still a very close game though, because we are on Yoshi's.
Oh, nice jab reset, but the punish out of the jab reset is kind of small. He just gets a dash attack there. Okay, reading the side B there with that nair, trying to do the same thing he did earlier.
Oh.
Tess missing the tech there on that side B. That was a tough one to react to, though. I don't blame him for that.
Yeah, Tess definitely the favorite to take this, but I'm.
No, Moment's
really holding his own.
For sure.
Oh, nice angling of the shield there too. Make sure that you get hit by box lasers.
I thought that was going to be it. I honestly thought that was game one right there. But Tech ended up taking it. The dare looked like it should have come out, but it didn't come out. Back. Yoshi's.
That's Yoshi's. Alright, game 2. Oh, no?
Okay,
oh, okay, we have a
Makes a lot of
character
sense.
switch to Marth.
Now, I know Tess works on a Marth specifically to help him with the Falco matchup. Not that he, like, is
Oh.
really bad at it, but edge guarding Falco is really pretty easy with Marth. Oh, we have a little bit of 20XX coming in saying, you know what, we don't need music right now.
It's very. Oh, I think they want the music.
They want the music. And
Like,
there we
alright,
go.
you know what? This is just gonna be way too awkward if we try to play this and there's no music. Oh, and it happened again. Maybe this is just a sign.
20XX doesn't want music. Okay. I thought he was gonna go for the regrab there, but he goes for the up tilt. Marth up tilt, so good, covering so much space. It's just like, especially on a stage like Yoshi, Marth does really well here, partially because his sword actually covers an absurd amount of space on that stage. This, okay, this is the edge guard there a little bit. Okay, gets the grab there. Tess
Good on Tess there
pretty-
being patient to make sure that he could get that grab.
Okay. And
Forward
there's
smash through
those
the
Yoshi
platform.
platforms coming in to help Marth out, and then they're definitely going to be an asset to Marth. Oh. Okay. Now Tess is definitely not planning on Randall being there. He could have gotten a pretty solid edge guard. That's what he was going for sure. Phantom hit.
Oh! Another shine? No? Not quite. Oh, SD.
That was a little. Fox's fall speed is really fast, and I know that the Dolphin
And on
Slash
Yoshi-
has a lot of hits done to it. So that was probably partially.
Well, it doesn't take very much time to die when you go down in
No.
Yoshi's either, so you don't really have that much time to react either and realize, oh crap, I'm moving
Whoa.
down too fast.
Whoa!
Whoa.
That turnaround down tilt from Tess there. That's showing some pretty intense game knowledge. Knowing that he wasn't going to get hit by that Phantasm and that his down tilt would.
It looks like we have a
on the Fox.
decent crowd too gathering
Yeah.
behind the stream.
Yeah. And we have a pretty sizable speed here by Tess. The character switch definitely working out for him. That last game was so close between the Fox and the Falco. Not nearly as close with its Marth, with his big sword just coming in and throwing out hitboxes everywhere. Randall with the assist on that kill, making Tess not grab the ledge for a very brief amount of time before landing on Randall, losing his ledge invincibility and getting hit by that smash there. But Moment is in a really tough spot right now on that platform up there. Okay, waiting for the get up option. Tess just plays it patiently. Nice shine there by Moment to alleviate a little bit of the pressure that Tess has been putting on him. But Tess has got so much.
Down air? Yep, that's it. Dumpster.